I like to listen to old songs since, unlike some recent songs that are just made for getting familiarity in the public, I think old songs are full of meaning and some special interest. This is one of my favorite old songs, and the edition covered by this girl is the one I like the most. The girl's voice is very sweet, and I really enjoy the way she presents the song. Smooth and comfortable. Um, there are also other old songs that I love, and many of them are not listened by young people nowadays, which I think is a pity, such as "Chou covered by Peng Ling and "背叛" covered by Cao Ge. I think these are songs that worth lasting for a very long time. Thank you, that's all.